So in this video, we're going to show you how to take a lemon and turn it into the sweetest tasting lemonade you ever tasted. So Tarique gave us a really poor quality image, very poor quality image, and he wants us to turn it into a 3D model for a big sign that he wants to make for this studio. So what I firstly did was came here to my Creative Fabrica, where it will turn a poor quality image into a vector file. Now this is an extra poor quality image. So you can see on the left is what we start with, and on the right is what this can give us. Which, the one thing I do like about this is there's not much fiddling to be done. It just, either it works or it don't. It's $5. Um, there is I think a 30-day free trial, so it's worth the free trial anyhow. But it doesn't always yield us usable results. So in this case, we've got nothing still. So our next step was then just to put it up on screen here. Okay, so it's it's fairly good. And then what we're going to do here is just hit print screen. All right, and that will give us this little snip here. So we'll do this. And it's copied to the clipboard. So now what we're going to do is go over to Inkscape and make the magic happen. So we're just going to paste. You see there? And then you can see here, if we reduce our threshold, we can bring over our threshold until we see the bits and bobs of the design that we're looking for. And then we'll go ahead and hit apply. And this does a reasonably good job now of converting this to a file that we can use. Okay. So then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and hit path and we'll break it apart because I want the rows to be separated. So we're going to hit Control K and then we're going to separate Eden from stem because I don't know, they might want to do it 2 different depths. Okay, like something like that. And then we can go ahead and save this. And we'll just save it as G. Let's just go E. Okay, and then we'll go over here into Bamboo. And there is our SVG. And there you go. That's all they needed. And then, of course, from there, they could decide how thick they want each one of these elements and so on and so forth. So it's very, very quick and easy little project. Well, there's a will, there's a way, and that will get the job done. So until next time, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need one-on-one training or some custom files made for you, this is my contact information, so feel free to reach out via email. You can text me. You could even give me a call. I'd be happy to answer questions or give you more details on the one-on-one training we offer, and as well as if you need custom files made until you are up to speed on how to make them yourself, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help you with that as well.